Mami, meron tayong mga foreigners in the house.
Yes, so we should try to speak in English.
So why don't you start speaking English?
Greet them! Come on, they're here!
And to all our beloved bosses, and of course, our beloved guests for tonight. Ayan. Woo! Sabi mo yung part ko ba yun?
Saka, ano ba siya, Mami?
Alam niyo naman ako, ano ka ba?
Oh.
28 gig lang yung laman ng utak ko.
Mas mataas na yung gig ng cellphone mo. Okay, so this time at DJ Tesmosa, I think it's time to introduce our managers for tonight.
Of course, kasi this event wouldn't be so possible kung hindi dahil sa efforts ng ating mga managers.
So, eto na, as we call your name, please join us here on stage. Alright? Our managers, eto na, na-excite talaga ako no? Pero syempre, and to give the opening remarks, let's all welcome our HR Manager, Ma'am Jonibel Loyola.